Hey guys, so the learning management system that I looked at was Schoology, which we've already discussed in class a few times, but this is the first time I've really gone into all the different sections and seen what it can do. I really enjoyed it overall. It was kind of difficult to try to set up when I'm not actually teaching any courses right now or doing anything like that. So I just put in what I'm learning in class. So I said I was a teacher at St. Martin's, and then I just put my Hebrew Bible class in. I really liked how easy it was. Like I never was confused at, if I wanted to post like an assignment, like where would I put that? Like it's very straightforward. So I kind of just to test it out, I just put in an assignment that I had that was actually due today, with like the overview and everything. And I know there's a way that you can like attach your paper, and I think I tried to like put that in here. It didn't quite work, but um, for the most part, everything was really easy. I really liked how they have the grade book, everything, attendance, all already on there. I also really enjoyed the resources tab, because if your students can't download apps onto their computer or whatever device they're using, you can put them on Schoology, which is just really convenient for your students. Yeah, so overall, I really liked it. I hope whatever school I'm in uses it. It'd be pretty nice. And that's it.